Hi there, I'm Kelly Goss. I am the founder of Solvaa. We're Pipedrive Partners and Zapier-certified experts. And I just want to tell you a little bit about our client EK Digital, who we basically helped to implement Pipedrive, optimize it, train them, and add in a whole load of different automations to help them with the lead capture process, with automating quoting and invoicing in Xero as well. So this is a little bit that Adam Bailey has put together for us to explain how it was to work with us.
Hi, my name's Adam Bailey. I'm the director of EK Specialist Surveys Limited. We engage Solvaa to help set up and automate our Pipedrive CRM system. Having previously not had a CRM system, we needed someone who could provide us with advice and implement all the automations we needed. We found Solvaa to be both very knowledgeable and experienced at doing this, and the advice and implementations that Kelly and her team have put in place have been invaluable for us in managing our work pipeline and ensuring that all the processes are working correctly. We've been exceptionally happy with the service and personal interaction we've had with Kelly and her team, and we highly recommend them to anyone who's starting out with Pipedrive or similar CRM systems, especially where they need automation and knowledge in putting those into place. Working with Kelly and the Solvaa team was a pleasant experience and a very professional one. We're very pleased with the way that she presented the information for our team, and the process in undertaking updates and providing us with the information was fantastic.